Universal law of gravitation. What is the universal law of gravitation? If two bodies having mass m1 and m2 separated by distance r, two bodies having mass m1 and m2 separated by the distance r, force of attraction between two bodies is directly proportional to product of the mass of body and inversely proportional to the distance, inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. So this law is called universal law of gravitation. So F directly proportional to m. If mass is increased, if m1 or m2 is increased, then force of attraction between the body is also increased. And if distance between two bodies is increased, then force of attraction between body is decreased. So this law is known as universal law of gravitation. So we can write F directly proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. So F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, where G is known as gravitational constant. The value of G is 6 point. The value of G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This value is always constant. G का ये value G is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर केजी स्क्वायर, ये हमेशा कांस्टेंट रहेगा. इसका वैल्यू कभी भी वैरी नहीं करेगा, चेंज नहीं होगा. ठीक है. तो दिस लॉ इज, तो जी का मान जो होता है वो हमेशा कांस्टेंट होता है, जिसका मान वैल्यू है 6.67 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर केजी स्क्वायर. तो यूनिट ऑफ gravitational constant is Newton meter square per kg square. F is equal to G m into m upon r square. F r square is equal to G m m. G is equal to F r square upon m into m. अब इसमें फोर्स का यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज न्यूटन, यूनिट ऑफ डिस्टेंस इज मीटर, स्क्वायर ऑफ मीटर मीटर स्क्वायर, यूनिट ऑफ मास केजी, अगेन यूनिट ऑफ मास केजी. न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर अपॉन केजी स्क्वायर, न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर केजी स्क्वायर. This is the unit of universal gravitational constant G.